guys, welcome back. This is Leena. How are you guys doing? I hope all of you are doing really well. So guys, I like applying face mask, and I like face mask sheets as well. And I came across to this really cool face mask. It's by the Skin Element, and they have really cool concept. They say our skin is made up of 4 main elements. It's earth, water, air and energy. So I have like 3 elements here, and the first one is apple extract, milk protein. So the Skin Elements, they say this is the energy face mask sheet, and this is defense against aging. So this is the first one, the energy element. The second one, it's the green tea with neem extract. So this is their elements of air. So this is defense against pollution. This is really cool. And the third one that I have, it's grapefruit with aloe vera. So this is the water element, and this is defense against dehydration. So these are the 3 face mask sheets, and I'm really excited to try this. I think I need something which will hydrate my skin, because my skin is like really dry, and then I keep moisturizing it. I keep applying something that will hydrate my skin. So I'm gonna go with this one. This is their grapefruit aloe vera. So because I need some hydration, I'll go with the water element, and I'm gonna try this now. So let's start. So guys, this is what the packaging looks like, and I will see the instructions. You just have to wash your face, pat dry. I've already washed my face. Then remove the mask from the packet and gently unfold it. Then you just apply the mask sheet, and then you wait for 15 minutes. Okay, great. So I'll tell you the key ingredients in this. This has water, glycerine, it has aloe vera. Oh my god, like these are really good things that I need. I like glycerine, and aloe vera is like really good for your skin, especially grapefruit. I think this is going to smell really good. And okay, so this is paraben free. I always look for products which are paraben free, so this is really cool. And I'm just going to open this now and try it. Okay, it comes in a packet like this. I'm just going to open it now. Let's see how it smells first. It smells good. I was right. I wanted to try this because grapefruit, of course, is going to smell good. Okay. Hope this fits my face. But there's a lot of liquid coming out of this. Okay, I hope I don't tear this. Okay, got it. So I'm gonna apply it on my face and then look like a ghost. Okay, here we go. I think my face is too small for like face mask sheets, because it doesn't really fit properly. Oh wow, this is really good. Okay. This is a little too big for my face. Okay. Smells amazing, guys. This is really nice. And it's so nice, like I can literally feel like thunderstorm cocoa. So I'm gonna wait for 15 minutes now. Just gonna sit back and relax. So guys, it's been more than 10 minutes. I had a nice little nap. I'm gonna remove this now. That was so relaxing. It just smells so good. Okay, my hair's all messed up. So now what you have to do is just massage the extra liquid which is on your face. Let it all soak in. This smells so good. It was so relaxing. I mean, I can actually feel that, you know, there's a lot of hydration now for my skin. Oh, that's nice, lovely. So I've gently massaged all the left out liquid which was there on my face, and there is so much hydration. So guys, as soon as I just put the face mask on, you know, I had a nice nap. It was so relaxing, you know, even my under eyes, like all this feels so good and fresh, and especially the smell, you know, it's such a nice feeling. I just had so much fun applying this face mask. I mean, it's so nice. I'm so like relaxed, and don't you see like I look all fresh? So there are a lot of other face masks that I have tried, but then, you know, this one was really good. It really worked for me, and I'm so excited to try the other two elements. So the air and energy, I'm sure these two will be great too. And you know guys, guess what, I'm gonna do a giveaway. So all you have to do is follow me on Instagram. My account is called Leena Official. Follow me there. Go to my Skin Element post. So there'll be a picture which has these products. Go there, tag 5 of your friends, and you know, let me know why you need these face masks, and I will do a giveaway. I will send you these products, and this is only for 1 week. So go to my Instagram right now. And guys, you guys have been really sweet. Thank you so much for watching all my videos and showing so much love. And you know, if you have any more doubts, any more questions, let me know in the comment section below, and please keep watching. Thank you so much guys. Bye.